Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tara with Crafting and More. I had completed the August Assembly Line Junk Journal Challenge by DearJulieJulie. We are required to do 8 altered paper clips, 8 book page pockets, 8 clusters, 8 tags, 8 journaling cards, 8 belly bands or tucks, 8 embellished flip pages, 8 envelopes, 8 parchment, tracing or vellum pockets, 8 mini notebooks any style, ruffles or tags, and each element has to have at least 3 items on that. And we were supposed to do 1 3 signature or 3 single signature, and I chose to do the 3 single, and we're going to do a quick flip through. This is a pocket here, so there's a double tuck spot, so it's got the pocket and the back pocket. There's my signature cover. My signature cover is 6.5 by 6.5. My signature insert is 6 1/4 by 6 1/4, and this is the inside of this cover. Here's the mini challenge in the challenge number 1. It is a flip with, we were required to use linen, a die cut, a napkin, some type of card, lined paper, washi tape, and some scraps. And I used a scrap from this signature piece here in my 3 mini challenge little flips. Paper, cluster with a tuck spot behind it. I'm doing a quick flip through. My camera's not wanting to record long periods, so please bear with me. Here's my journaling card, my belly band, my ruffle with a bead I made, stamped fabric, and some lace. Here's mini notebook inside of a tuck, dyed paper, butcher paper. This is a pocket, so I have a pocket spot here, book page pocket. I also made it a tuck with, there's one of the tags that tucks in behind there. I wanted the person who gets this to fill it. Here's an altered paper clip. My second notebook, mini notebook, and there's a tuck spot there with a little journaling card. It's made from a doily and book pages, and that just simply sits on the top and secured in with the altered paper clip. A flip out, note paper, dyed coffee paper. Here's my first flip up with journaling. I added stamping, glitter, a die cut truck, and the half pearls. Another flip out spot. A cluster added on to the top part of a envelope there. Here's my second ruffle tab with a bead, fabric, and lace on a bulb pin. Belly band with a journaling card. Lined paper, coffee dye paper, the third notebook, it's a matchbook style. Butcher paper, dyed paper with an altered paper clip. This is my vellum pocket, so there's a pocket here, journaling space, and a pocket tuck, a tuck spot here. So you got a tuck spot and a pocket from the vellum. Here's the parchment paper. It is a pocket. You can see through it. I like my parchment paper pockets. Here's the inspiration for my journals. It is a little Italian style little farm, lavender fields, some veggies, some berries. Looks kind of like a wine vineyard. It's got some lemons and some olives. Doily, another parchment pocket. Here's a flip. I stamped an image on some butcher paper, added some book page, and added some glitter on there, and it's a flip out. More dyed paper. Another one of those pockets. That's also a tuck spot. Added stamping, and this is a napkin that I glued onto the book page. Oh, and there's line journaling spot on the back of that tag. Here's a large tag with journaling spot. Paper, envelopes. There's a tuck behind, a tuck in, a tuck behind, and a slide in. These are envelopes. There's an envelope that can flip open for journaling area. Another flip. I used burlap, book page, butcher paper, stamped image, and glitter. Coffee dyed paper, journaling, copy. This is dyed paper, altered paper clip. Another cluster that is a tuck spot. A sideways belly band with a journaling card. The ruffle with the bling that I made, the little jewelry piece and cluster. Here's my vellum pocket. I washi taped it on there. I got to add some more glue to that. It looks like it came off, so I need to add more fabric glue to that piece, which I will do after the video. And it is a pocket as well. Right there. Can add stuff to there. Another line spot. The pocket of my signature. And I made this band with a hair tie and a button as my closure for my signature, for my book. I hope you enjoyed the flip through. I'm sorry if I sped through everything fast. If you need to see something better, just leave it in the comments and I'd be happy to re-show it. Thank you and have a great day. Happy crafting. Do something crafty today. Bye. Bye.